Hi guys, it's me again. You miss me? Yeah, it always feels nice to be able to bring out content and give you new videos every time. So without wasting any time, let's jump through it. 5 signs to know that a girl wants you to make the first move. Well, you might be in a situation where you have a friend and she has friend-zoned you. You have invested your feelings on the other side, where you like her but you don't know what to do. You don't know the perfect time to ask her if she can be yours. You don't have the courage. You don't know if it is the right thing to ask her, or if she'll backfire at you when you try to make a move. Well, this video is for you. Welcome. Welcome back, it's Vincent here, and this is my YouTube channel. So, 5 signs to know that a girl wants you to make the first move. Number 1, if she locks eyes with you. I'm not talking about a scenario where you meet a girl in a restaurant and she looks at you while you lock eyes. No, I'm talking about a scenario where you know someone, you hang around with someone and you chat, you are always fun together. But every time you are with your friends, group together, you tend to lock eyes. You look another way. When you try to look in the same direction, you lock eyes. Well, it's a sign that that girl notices you. You have to do something about it. Yeah, because girls are pretty difficult people, and it's very hard for a girl to notice a guy. Yeah, if a girl doesn't like you, she'll never even bother to notice you. She'll never even bother to look at you. She'll never even waste her time to look at you, because when you are with a group of friends, she'll be distracted with a lot of things. But if she pays attention at you, she's always in to know what's going on with this person. Well, it's your chance to take that first step. Number 2, her friends passes comments every time you're with her. When you find her with her friends, or you're hanging around with a group of females, yeah, and she's there, her friends are there, and a friend, close friend to her, likes passing comments like, hey guys, hey you guys, so you guys, you like each other, you guys are so so you guys, is there anything going on between you two or what? Well, you know how girls are. Girls tend to share a lot of stuff. They share a lot of secrets. So when a girl says something positive or something about the friend, or the friend is there, which means they behind the scene talked about it. Yeah, so if a girlfriend talks about something about a girlfriend while you are there in the presence, which means they discussed you, maybe she shared that she likes you, so they're just trying to find out if you really like her back, or yeah, if there's something, you have any attachment to her. Just want to make sure they're standing on the right grounds. Number 3, she asks you deep personal questions. A girl who never likes you, who doesn't like you, who never asks you deep personal questions, why does she even bother? Because girls, we consider them as kitty people, because it's their nature. They are always kitty, they're always trying to be protective. But if a girl tends to loosen herself up and tries to conversate with you, wants to know more about you, well, she likes you, she's interested in knowing who you are, she might be calling out to you. She asks you deep questions about you, and you're relating. She wants to know who you are, who the potential future is. Yeah. And number 4, she breaks away from groups to be with you. If a girl breaks away from groups to be with you, take it for instance, you have a group of friends. Yeah, you tend to chill with your friends, and most of the time when you just try to branch away, she always wants to come with you to have alone space. That's a sign that she really likes you, because she wants to have alone time with you. She wants to spend time with you, to get to know you better, to get to have your company, to get to talk to you. It's the chance for you to make that move. She's giving you a green light, because she knows that in the middle of a lot of friends in the group, you can't do anything. So that's the only chance that you have to make a move and make things work. Yeah, so it's your call and she's waiting. Number 5, when you touch her and she draws closer to you, there are scenarios, but I'm not on this one. I'm not trying to say you gotta touch a girl so that you try to test. No, you'll be sexual harassing a girl. When you touch a girl, not in an intimate way, but take for instance, you're talking, you're conversating, and you try to touch her in any kind of way. Yeah, and she tries to draw closer to you. She doesn't react in a certain way, like in a defensive way, which means she kind of feels safe with you. She kind of trusts you. She kind of feel comfortable with you touching her. And that's another level where, yeah, because a person who is not interested in you, a person who is not intimately wanting to be in contact with you, can never like give you the courtesy, the freedom, the permit to touch her or to tap her or to be close with her. If she invites you to her own space, my friend, that's personal, So that's it. Yeah, and if these hints were helpful, please do the needful and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.